Good morning, Scooter fam. I hope all of you are having an amazing spring break. It's going to be an interesting day today because it's Friday of spring break week. All the students are gone. All of you guys are gone enjoying your time. Meanwhile, Brad and Hannah are off doing wedding stuff. Stephanie is on a trip. Justin Smith was sick yesterday. Hopefully he's back today. And we have what feels like a skeleton crew at the shop. I might be going back to my roots a little bit today, spending some time in the showroom. Hey, it happens sometimes. I love it. It's all good. And I think Mike and Angela will be doing a lot of the same. So let's get to it. You haven't been on the vlog in a while.
Yeah, I know.
I think I'm gonna add you right now.
You got me on the vlog right now?
Yeah, how about this? Go ahead. Let's give some chief of wisdom advice on the vlog. Have we even done that before?
What?
On the vlog?
I don't know.
We do it on Snapchat all the time.
Yeah, I don't know. See?
All right, let's hear chief of wisdom.
This is like a diamond in the rough right here, just waiting to be discovered. See?
Right.
Really?
Hit us up with it. Go.
All right. Today's piece of wisdom is this.
Hold on, let the scooter go back because I don't have you mic'd.
Okay. Are you ready?
Hold on, I'm waiting for them. I want to get inside.
The advice that I'd give right now, just thinking off the cuff, in light of the world economy, things that are going on in the world today, I would say it would be a good idea to save some money, because you never know when you're going to need some money. So my advice today to all these folks out here, save your money.
Is there a good way to save money in your opinion?
Yes, when you get your paycheck, here's what you do.
Okay.
When you get your paycheck, you look at your paycheck and you want to put away, let's say 15 to 20% every week. Put it away. Learn to live without that 15 to 20%. Then after a month goes by, I got a little bit. A few months go by, I got a little bit more. End of the year, wow, I was able to live just fine, and I've got this money saved. Because you never know when you need a little emergency money or to save some money.
Do you invest it, or you just keep it in a savings account? Or
well,
do you do
savings
both?
account's not going to give you anything.
Right.
I mean, that's worthless. What
Right.
I would do is, after I've got some sizable money in there, I mean, you might want to dabble in a mutual fund or a blue chip stock or something like that, but you need a little money to buy that stock depending on what you want. Yeah, always invest money. I mean, that's biblical. I mean, about the talents.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? So when one man just buried it under the rock, the other one put his to work. So I would say, sure, invest in something that you like or enjoy. Could be Harley Davidson motorcycles, could be Pepsi Cola or Coke.
Scooter fam, I just received an awesome snap from one of our customers. His name's Federico. He just sent me a message and said, hey Colin, I just wanted to thank you for a piece of advice that you gave on your snap one time on my Snap story, and I thought I would reiterate it and share it with you guys here on the vlog because I think it's so important. I know a lot of you guys are college students, you're about to graduate, you're all searching for jobs, and something that goes so far is thanking the interviewer for their time. It sounds so simple, but so many people do not do that. When somebody sits down with me for an interview, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a very busy guy, and I don't even want to think how busy some of these other businesses, these corporate businesses and these interviewers, like these are busy people. So the fact that you got an interview, you should be grateful for that, and you should tell that interviewer, hey, I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to even meet with me. It means the world to me that you would even take that time out of your day to do that. And send a follow-up. Always send a follow-up. People don't send follow-ups. Everybody needs to send a follow-up, and always send a thank you card saying, hey, thank you again so much for meeting with me. It really means a lot. I look forward to joining this team. Something that just shows a little more effort than just this is one of the many jobs I'm considering. Like, don't do that. Say thank you, mean it, be authentic, follow up, send thank you cards, and get that. If you really want that job, then go after that job and do those things. It will go a long way. Guys, you should follow me on Snapchat. because when I do Snapchat contests, they're pretty awesome. I threw up this photo. I'll put it up, Ronald. Put the photo up. Put up this photo and said, if you can tell me where this is at, then you're gonna win some Eddie Pinheiro. Did I say that right? I tried to do the Pinheiro. Start over. Then you'll win some Eddie Pinheiro.
It's Friday. We're almost done with the week.
Then you'll win. If you can tell me where this photo was taken, then you'll win some Eddie P.
That sounds worse. Okay, come on.
If you can tell me where this picture is taken, then you'll win some Eddie swag that we have here at the dealership. And Jen got on Snapchat and she was able to tell me where it was, and she's taking home this football right there. Yes. And where was it? Where was it at?
Satchels.
Satchels in the van. I took that picture in the van. It's better to party naked, apparently. Follow me on Snapchat. You won't regret it.
Do it.
Guys, I just got finished meeting with David, talking about stats and the progress and seeing some updates, and man, I'm excited. This thing is going to be so cool. Just plugging along. Sometimes it drives me crazy how long these projects can take, but it's going to be well worth it. So it was a solid meeting. It's 8:04 p.m. on Friday night. I'm getting ready to finally go home. So I hope everybody had a great spring break. I'm super excited for you guys to get back. I missed you. Please, Scooter fam, come back to me. But seriously, I hope everybody got lots of rest and relaxation and is pumped to finish the semester. The semester is going to be over so quickly. And then it's summertime, and then it's my favorite time of the year, the fall semester.